So, you're thinking about getting a YouTrip card, huh? That's a smart move. But, there's one question that might be bugging you. Is there an annual fee? Let's dive right in. YouTrip is a fantastic tool for travelers. It offers competitive exchange rates, low transaction fees, and a sleek, user-friendly app. But, like any financial product, it's important to understand the costs involved. The annual fee question. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the annual fee. The good news is, YouTrip doesn't charge an annual fee. That's right, you can enjoy all the benefits of the card without paying a yearly subscription. How does YouTrip make money then? You might be wondering, if there's no annual fee, how does YouTrip make money? Well, the primary way YouTrip generates revenue is through foreign exchange fees. When you use your card to make purchases in foreign currencies, YouTrip charges a small fee on the exchange rate. Other fees to consider. While there's no annual fee, it's worth noting that YouTrip may charge fees for certain services. These fees might include ATM withdrawal fees. Fees may apply when you withdraw cash from ATMs overseas. Inactivity fees. If your card is inactive for an extended period, you might be charged an inactivity fee. The fine print. To get the most accurate and up-to-date information about fees, it's always a good idea to check YouTrip's official website or app. Terms and conditions can change, so staying informed is crucial. Is YouTrip worth it? Considering the absence of an annual fee, competitive exchange rates, and the convenience of a multi-currency wallet, YouTrip is definitely worth considering for your travel needs. Just be mindful of the potential fees associated with ATM withdrawals and inactivity. So, there you have it. YouTrip offers a fantastic solution for travelers, and the best part is, it doesn't cost you a dime to own the card. By understanding the fee structure and using the card wisely, you can maximize its benefits and minimize your expenses. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.